Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak English podcast. We're very happy you're here with us today. If this is your first time listening, this channel is all about helping you speak real, natural English that you can use in everyday life.
Hi everyone, I'm Judy, and I'm excited to be here again. On this podcast, we focus on practical English conversations and useful vocabulary. Our goal is to help you speak clearly, confidently, and naturally.
So, today's topic is extremely useful and very common in everyday conversations. We're going to talk about how to describe your daily routine in English.
Yes! This is one of the most popular topics when learning English. People often ask questions like, "What do you usually do during the day?" Or, "What's your daily routine?" You might hear these questions in job interviews, classrooms, or casual conversations.
Exactly. So in this episode, Judy and I will talk about our own daily routines from morning to night. You'll learn useful vocabulary, natural expressions, and simple sentence patterns you can use right away.
And remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is communication. So, listen carefully, repeat after us, and try to use these phrases in your own life.
Great. Let's start with the morning. Morning routine. Judy, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I like starting my day early because it gives me enough time to relax and prepare before work.
That's impressive. Ha 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 ha. I'm not really a morning person. I usually wake up around 8 o'clock, sometimes even 8:30 if I don't have an early meeting.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around midnight. I know I should sleep earlier, but I'm trying to improve my schedule.
Ah, sleep is very important for a healthy routine. When I wake up, the first thing I do is turn off my alarm and stretch for a few minutes. It helps my body wake up slowly.
Yeah, that sounds peaceful. When my alarm rings, I usually press the snooze button. Those extra 10 minutes feel amazing.
Be careful with that habit. After I get up, I make my bed immediately. It only takes 2 minutes and makes my room look clean and organized.
I don't always make my bed, but I agree. It feels good when everything looks tidy.
After that, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and then take a shower.
Same here. Brushing my teeth is the first thing I do. I take quick showers, though, about 5 minutes.
I enjoy longer showers, around 10 minutes. It's relaxing and helps me feel ready for the day. After my shower, I dry my hair and get dressed.
If I work from home, I wear comfortable clothes like sweatpants and a t-shirt. But if I go to the office, I wear something more professional.
My outfit also depends on my day. If I have meetings, I dress more formally. If it's a regular day, I choose smart casual clothes.
So, let's talk about breakfast. I love breakfast. I usually eat scrambled eggs with toast and drink a big cup of coffee.
Coffee is very important for you, right?
Ha ha ha! Absolutely, I can't function without coffee in the morning. What about you?
Uh, I prefer a lighter and healthier breakfast. I usually eat oatmeal with fruit, like bananas or berries. Sometimes I add honey or nuts, and I drink green tea.
That sounds healthy and delicious. After breakfast, I wash my dishes right away. I like keeping the kitchen clean.
Same here. Cleaning immediately saves time later. Going to work.
After breakfast, it's time to start work. Some days, I work from home. Other days, I drive to the office. The drive takes about 20 minutes.
I use public transportation. I take the metro to work, and it takes about 25 minutes. During my commute, I listen to music or read something on my phone.
I usually listen to podcasts or music while driving. It makes the commute more enjoyable.
When I arrive at work, I turn on my computer and check my emails. Then I look at my calendar and create a to-do list.
Making a to-do list is a great habit. It helps you stay organized and focused. Workday and lunch.
My workday usually begins at 9 a.m. Mornings are when I feel most energetic, so I work on important tasks first.
I'm more productive in the afternoon. In the morning, I take some time to fully wake up and get into work mode.
Around 1 p.m., I take a lunch break. I usually bring lunch from home, maybe rice, vegetables, or leftovers from dinner.
I also bring lunch most days. Sometimes I make a sandwich and bring fruit or snacks. It's cheaper and healthier than eating out every day.
Uh, where do you eat lunch?
Usually in the break room. I try not to eat at my desk because I need a real break.
That's important. After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy, so I drink tea to stay alert.
I drink another cup of coffee, afternoon and end of work.
Afternoons are usually filled with meetings, phone calls, and projects. I try to finish everything on my list before the end of the day.
Some days are busy, some are calm. I usually finish work at 5:30 p.m., but if I have a deadline, I might work a little longer.
Work-life balance is very important. After work, it's time to relax. Evening routine.
When I get home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes and change into comfortable clothes.
Me too. Changing clothes helps me relax. Then I start preparing dinner.
I usually eat dinner around 7 o'clock. I like simple meals like pasta, chicken with vegetables, or rice.
I enjoy cooking. Sometimes I make soup, grilled fish, or baked chicken with roasted vegetables.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. Then I finally relax.
In the evening, I like reading, watching shows, or calling family and friends. Sometimes I do yoga or light exercise.
Um, I watch movies, play video games, or watch YouTube videos. It helps me unwind. Night routine.
Around 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I prepare things for the next day, my clothes, and my bag.
That's a smart habit. It makes the morning easier.
Ah, then I wash my face, brush my teeth, and change into pajamas. After that, I read a book, in bed for about 20 minutes.
I often look at my phone before sleeping, but I'm trying to stop that habit.
Reading helps you relax and sleep better. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m.
I go to bed around midnight and try to get at least 7 hours of sleep. So, now it's your turn to practice. Try answering these questions out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you go to work or school?
You can also describe your evening routine. For example, I get home at 6 o'clock. I cook dinner. Then, I watch TV and read a book. Keep your sentences simple and clear.
Practice every day. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Key vocabulary review.
Let's review some important words from today. Routine, your regular daily activities, usually something that happens most of the time. Wake up to stop sleeping. Get up to leave your bed. Commute, travel, between home and work.
Yeah. Prepare to get something ready. Relax to rest and feel calm. Wind down to slowly relax. After a busy day, go to bed to get into bed. Fall asleep to start sleeping. That's all for today's episode of Easy Speak English Podcast. We hope this lesson helps you talk about your daily routine in English with confidence.
Practice speaking every day, even for a few minutes. Small steps lead to big progress.
Thank you for listening and learning with us.